Are you giving us a tour, Joey?
Hey man, enter at your own risk. That's all I'm saying. Things are gonna fly and fall. Look at that. That's all waiting to come down. Yeah. It's gonna be a fun day.
All right.
Candy and used to be pretty well stocked. So there's places right on the water, and I would pay $10 a night for right on the beach. Let's just pull it.
Marvelous. Absolutely marvelous.
Yes. Oh, there you are.
Here I are. Water's clear.
Yes. Show them how clear this was. Look at it. Huh? Yeah. I mean, I would put this in a zero water filter. I mean, right. It's not.
You're running through a Berkey or the filters of a Berkey and you'd be fine.
Yeah. And we get incredible sunset from the west here.
All right, what kind of track is that? Interesting shaped tree.
You want me to get up and pose on it?
Sure.
I don't think so. My sister did. Give you a little size.
Ride it like a horse.
Oh yeah, right. You could be capturing my death.
No.
No, not yet. That's as far as I'm going, dude.
All right.
That's it. But it's a great little photo spot at the little town park.
Yeah. Raspberries.
You know, they walk dogs around at this park. So, but it did rain, right, recently?
That's right.
So they're nice and cleaned. Very well fertilized. Here's some more over here.
All right. They're good.
Yeah. Save some for me, would you?
Okay. I don't think there'll be a problem.
Come on in.
Joey's getting what? What do you call these again?
I can't believe you don't know what these are. These are thimbleberries.
Thimbleberries. Never had a thimble. It looks like a raspberry.
It's like a sour raspberry.
Sour raspberry.
Oh, I see a blueberry.
Tastes pretty good.
Yeah. There's a lot of thimbleberry jams and... Right. Those aren't blueberries, but I think they look like them.
Yeah, they do look like them.
I think they're poisonous, so let's not eat any more berries. Okay.
All right.
Thimbleberries and raspberries I can identify.